Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutor. In this video we will discuss how to change video quality recording on iPhone. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Camera. This is where all your photo and video settings are located. Next, tap on Record Video. Here you'll see a list of available video quality options, such as 720p HD at 30 fps, 1080p HD at 30 or 60 fps, 4K at 24, 30 or 60 fps. Select the resolution and frame rate that suits your needs. Higher resolutions like 4K at 60 fps give you top quality footage but use more storage. Lower options like 720p help save space if storage is a concern. You can also enable HDR video or use the PAL format if needed, depending on your region and preferences. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.